Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well and staying safe. I am back with another unboxing video. This was a really quick package. The seller posted it yesterday and I received it this morning, which is literal madness. Like, it came so early, but I am not complaining. Anyways, this is going to be an unboxing of my Wonho fan kit, the Vlive fan kit, for his membership. I actually do have his membership, but I didn't purchase it with the fan kit at the time because I was just like so siebes, and I was like, oh, I'll just get the digital version. So I do actually have the like digital card, I just don't have the fan kit. And this seller was selling the kit with all the inclusions, so it was super convenient. Also, she is from Australia, so that made it super easy as well. Anyways, apologies if you do hear any noise in the background. My parents are watching TV, which, like, the living room is like directly opposite my bedroom, so please excuse that, but I'm probably gonna put music over it. But anyway, let's get into it. So yes, I finished putting the photo cards in my binder. It was a bit of a chaotic mess, this video, I'm not gonna lie, because I haven't filmed in so long. So I was like really on struggle street unwrapping some of the packaging, because like the packaging was so secured. So I'll really have to thank the seller for, you know, going the extra mile and bending her back to wrap that all up. But yeah, so basically, yeah, I filled this page up. Don't know yet if I want to keep this page like solely like his mixed cards with like other limited edition stuff and then the Vlive stuff, because it actually spells Wonho at the back of the photo cards. So I don't know if I want to put this on like a separate new page. Still like a big TBC on that, but so far I'm like liking how this looks. And then whilst I have the video going anyway, I've got my Love Synonym photo cards ready to be prepared for. So I've joined a group order and they are buying through K-Town for You because I wanted the pre-order benefit cards. So they're pretty much going to be the same way that I organized and stored my Love Synonym part 1. This will eventually get moved closer to like right after Love Synonym part 1, so it'll all be like together. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video despite it being so chaotic. But yeah, I hope everyone is staying well and safe, and see you in the next one. Bye.